Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your Lovable website looks great on desktop but breaks on phones, text too big, images overflowing, buttons hard to tap, this guide is for you. In Lovable Website Editor 2026, mobile responsiveness is built in, but you still need to adjust layout, spacing, and typography correctly to get a truly mobile-friendly site. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to make your Lovable sites mobile responsive in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common mobile responsiveness problems like text too large or too small on phone, like images cut off or stretched, sections overflow horizontally, buttons too small to tap, desktop looks fine, mobile looks broken. Okay, so mobile changes affects desktop unexpectedly. Okay, so switch to mobile view. So Lovable lets you design separately for mobile. Okay, so open your website editor, click mobile view or phone icon. Always work in phone or mobile view when fixing responsiveness. Okay, then desktop layouts don't always work on phones, so select a section, open layouts or structures settings. Okay, and change columns to stack vertically, pending and merges to reduce, section height auto or content based. Okay, so one column layouts work best on mobile. Fix text size and line spacing. So text often looks oversized on mobile. Okay, so click the text, open typography, reduce, and font size, reduce font size and line height and letter spacing. Okay, so avoid manual font sizes meant for desktop. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.